Hey, this is Byron. I'm pretty excited. I've made a lot of money for a lot of people today. I picked a stock, ticker symbol BOOT. It went up today, but starting to go down now. So once the stocks start to go up, I said on January 23rd, on the 24th, at one point, or the 27th, which is Monday, Friday or Monday, it was going to go up. We're closed Friday and Saturday, and it went up today. You can't get greedy. Once it went up, like I said, you want to sell it. You don't want to keep it. It's not going to keep on going up. Stocks go up and down. They go up and down. So don't blame me if the stock starts to go down, because once it went up, it gets overpriced. That's the thing. I bought it when it was underpriced. See, once a stock gets, it was at one. Let me check it out. Make sure. Let me show you what I'm looking at here. The stock market's right there. Okay. Once a stock goes up, to me, it becomes overpriced. I said the stock was going to goodbye at $1.166. It's at 169 now, but the Dow Jones is starting to go up. The Dow Jones, I'm trying to teach you something. The Dow Jones and the Nasdaq affects a lot of stocks. If the Dow Jones go down 500 or 1,000 points or whatever, it could take a lot of stocks with it. So you got to be careful. So you should have sold it when I told you to buy it yesterday. When it went up 2 points, you should have sold it. Don't get greedy. I know you can't watch stocks all day, every day. I know it. You can't do that. But you can set alerts. Once you get in a brokerage company, an online brokerage company, you can set alerts on your phones to when the stocks start to go up. You can sell it. You can sell it that way too. But when I give a stock, all I say is, for example, January 23rd, BOOT is going to go up on January 24th. And it did. But it's not going to stay up, because once a stock goes from up to a certain point, it'll start to go back down because it become overpriced. I bought it when it was underpriced. That's my technique. I'm good at buying stocks when it's underpriced. But once it become overpriced, it's not a good stock anymore. That's why big companies are not always good investments. Remember that. Because say Walmart, an example. Walmart, if it's overpriced, it's not a good investment. You gotta find the secret sauce is to find a stock that's underpriced. And that's what I'm good at. So BOOT Barn Holdings, you can Google it. It was up today 2 points, but now it's starting to break even now. Although the Dow Jones is down like 300 points, my stock is still like, barely up or barely down, but it was up. Like I said, it's hard to stay up when the Dow Jones goes down. And that's what I said yesterday. If the Dow Jones go down, there's a good, if it shoots down, it could take my stock with it. And let me see how it's doing. Probably down a little bit. My stock is still barely up, believe it or not. I don't know if it's going to stay up all day. It's only like 30 more minutes for the market to be open, and then it's after hours tradings. But you should have sold it. I'm going to have another stock pick for you probably beginning of next week. And I'm going to give the exact date and tell you exactly what to do. And it's up to you if you do it. Now, a couple of people texted me and called me and said, $166 a share, that's a little bit too much. What matters is, did the stock go up? Because if you pick a stock that's $5 a share, $10 a share, $20 a share, it's hard to get those stocks. There's a reason why those stocks are that low. They're not that trustworthy. So I'm not going to give a stock because you want me to go lower in your price range, and all of a sudden the stock starts to go down. That's going to make me look bad, and you're going to lose money. So if I give a stock and there's a higher price, you just got to buy lesser shares. That's all you do. But that stock will go up at a certain point. That's what my technique is, and that's what my profession is. I don't want nobody to lose money. Sometimes you can't make that much money because the stock is overpriced. I mean, the stock is too high for you. You got to buy lesser shares. So it's hard to please everybody, but I'm doing the best I can. My main objective is to help people, and that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to make sure that Everybody's making money. Some people make more than others because they have more money than others. But remember, you're investing at your own risk, and try not to spend too much money. There's a certain techniques when it comes to that too. You don't want to spend all your money on my stock picks. Spend some of it in case it do go down. Then you can buy more shares. It's a lot of techniques involved. But I'm a short-term investor, and the stock went up again. I'm 12 out of 12, like I said. So you got to subscribe to that video right there, or email me at byron4053 at hotmail.com. BYRON4053 at hotmail.com. This is for everybody. I'm 12 out of 12. I can make money for you and your family. So I'm not going to keep your ear here. I just want to let you know what's going on. The stock did go up, and the Dow Jones it's the Dow Jones. It's been going up for the last 4 or 5 days, and I knew it was going to start going back down. And the Dow Jones can take a lot of stocks with it, almost all the stocks with it. The Dow Jones is almost down 300 points right now. It's 30 minutes left. See, that's a bad sign. So almost every stock is going to be down. But my stock did go up. And it might go up again Monday, too. I said the 24th or the 27th. It might go up again Monday. So you can still make money Monday, I think. 1 second. Yeah, the Dow Jones is really going down. My stock is at 16848. It's even right now. It's not down or up because the Dow Jones is down 300 points. That's the power of the Dow Jones. Anyway, in conclusion, I want to thank everyone for the views and subscriptions to my videos. I'm going to try to give you good stocks, and that should be all that matters to you. That AI trading and all that stuff, these big companies, it don't mean nothing if they're not giving you good stocks where you're making money. If you're making money, fine. If you're losing money, stop. Find somebody dependable like me to give you good stock picks where you can make money. That's all it comes down to, making money for you and your family. Thank you. I love you, and I'm pretty fired up, and I'm going to see you soon.